Ready to transform your Wix website from a lonely island into a buzzing hub of activity? First, let's supercharge your site with Wix Forum. Head to the Wix app market, search for Wix Forum, and click Add to Site. This turns your passive website into an interactive space where users can start discussions, share ideas, and connect with each other. Now, customize. Dive into the forum settings, create categories relevant to your niche. Think of it like organizing different rooms in your community house. Define member roles, moderators, admins, regular users, and tailor the notification settings to keep everyone informed without overwhelming them. Exclusivity breeds loyalty. Use the Wix blog app to create member-friendly content. This could be premium articles, behind-the-scenes videos, or special downloads. It's a fantastic way to reward your dedicated followers and encourage sign-ups. Don't underestimate the power of direct communication. Install Wix Chat and actively engage with your visitors. Answer their questions, offer support, and create a welcoming atmosphere. A little personal touch goes a long way. Encourage user-generated content. Prompt your community to share their experiences, reviews, and creations. Showcase their contributions prominently on your site. Nothing builds a community faster than celebrating its members. Remember to use hashtags like #WixCommunity, #engagement. Finally, track your progress. Use Wix Analytics to monitor your community's growth and engagement levels. See what's working, what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Community building is an ongoing process, so stay patient and keep experimenting.